Hi everyone, this is Saswati and I'm from Hyderabad. I have currently enrolled myself as a part of YAxis for an Australia immigration process. Right now I am undergoing a coaching for the PT exam that we have to appear before we move to Australia. And I thought probably coaching for PT would not be necessary for me because I thought myself to be quite good at English. But trust me, it has burst all the myths. Lavita ma'am, who is right now the coach for PTE exam, she has covered all the modules very nicely, and she has made sure that we are actually prepared before the exam. And she also gave us tips on how to write the exam, and the tips to identify various questions. And as far as the YAxis team is concerned, they have been extremely friendly and extremely supportive in all the queries and discussions that we have. So I would definitely recommend YAxis. Thank you.